Stain samples are a critical step in your furniture customization process. How does it work? Place a stain sample order by phone, on our website, or by placing an order and under Finish, selecting Order Stain Samples. Once you've selected your wood type and requested the finishes you'd like to see, we'll send out your samples. Included in your sample kit are your samples and a return bag with a prepaid return shipping label. View your samples on location in the furniture's future home in a variety of lighting conditions. Compare it to the wall color and the floor color in particular, as well as any other wood tones in the room. If you somehow find that none of our stain options is quite right for you, ask your furniture specialist about custom stain matching. Once you've made your decision, tell our furniture specialist which stain color you've chosen and place your order if you haven't yet. And then place all of the samples in the included return bag and stick it in the mail for a full reimbursement on your sample deposit. Then all that's left is to wait as your custom furniture is built and finished to your specifications. We're confident that when you do receive your furniture, you'll love what you created.